One of the easiest ways for you to earn more commissions for every product that you review and every video that you post is simply through the Creator Connections program. As you see here on my screen, these are my earnings for the last 7 days. And I made an extra $131 in the Creator Connections program. If you don't know what that is, basically you are reposting your current review videos inside campaigns. And these campaigns are simply promotions that the brand owners of the product are running in a hope to jumpstart sales, or if they just release a new product on Amazon, and they will essentially increase the commission rate for you. So if I review this little fidget toy in my hands and it earns a usual 2% on Creator Connections, it's going to earn more like a 20% commissions. But as we all know, inside of the Creator Connections program, there's over 400,000 campaigns. You have to filter through all of them one by one. Not anymore. So what we're going to be doing is going into our storefront, and you're going to open up the ReviewPro extension. Okay. As you see this orange box, you can automatically find and accept Creator Connection campaigns. So what you first need to do is make sure that your storefront URL is connected in the settings, in the account settings. To do that, you can click the gear here on the top right, and then you can copy and paste the storefront URL inside of here. Make sure that the storefront URL looks exactly like this: Amazon.com/shop/ your first and last name or your original storefront name. What you can do to get this is click where it says right here, go to public view, and then copy and paste that into an incognito window, and then copy and paste that URL. That should do it. Now, so once you do have your storefront connected into the app here, then you're going to need to click this button where it says go to storefront. If you're already on your storefront, you're going to click start extraction. What's going to happen is this tool will essentially go through all of your videos and collect all of them. And this might take some time, right? I have 1,700 product reviews in here. It's going to take a while. If you have, less than 500, it won't take nearly as long. So I'm going to click start extraction, and it's going to start going through my storefront and gathering all of the product ASINs together. Okay. This might take a few minutes. So I'm going to pause this video and we're going to resume once all of my ASINs have been gathered together. And then we're going to go into Creator Connections, and I'm going to show you how to opt into all the campaigns automatically. Okay, that took a second, but we're done. Let's go to Creator Connections now. So a couple things real fast. So you're going to click that, and there is a good chance that when you come here, you might see this window. If so, just switch your store ID to the normal one instead of the ONAMZ. Now, once you come here, let's see. Okay. So the tool ReviewPro has all of our product review videos inside, and I'm just going to click find and auto opt into campaigns. ReviewPro will start auto accepting all of these campaigns and filtering through all the 400,000 campaigns available and accepting them for you. Okay. This is honestly incredible. I recommend running this every morning, every day, because there's new campaigns every day. I get surprised all the time. All right. And then you can see your earnings to honestly start to increase. Now, a couple things. You don't want to exit out of this window, or when you're gathering all of these ASINs or review videos on your storefront page, like what I showed you in the last video. So hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, comment down below or in the Facebook group, and we'll see you soon.